Good morning, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I'm back again with another video. And I just wanted to show you guys how to use the CoinOut app. I have some receipts here I want to upload, and I want to show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to come onto the app. Okay, so I remember yesterday coming on here and showing you guys. Hold on one second. Let my stuff load here. Go down. View all receipts. So this is proof that I've uploaded receipts, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, on April 19th, I uploaded a receipt, got 8 cents. Yesterday, I uploaded a receipt. I got 6 cents. 6 cents for yesterday, 8 cents, 12 cents, 8 cents, 6 cents. And today I'm going to upload more, okay? I don't know how many receipts you can upload at a time, but I'm going to try to, find that out. So here we go. What you want to do is make sure everything's aligned properly. And take the picture. Okay? And submit. I got 57 cents for that receipt, you guys. Okay? We're going to do another one. Let me see if I can find one that's not so big. Here we go. Here's another one. Okay? You guys excuse the background noise. I'm actually working right now. So I got 2 cents for that one. It's a 99-cent store receipt. So since I'm done with those, I'm going to put those to the side, and I'm going to come on here and I'm hoping this one will take. I'm not sure because it's so far away. Hold on one second. Trying to see if I can find a much smaller one. Okay, here we go. Here's one. Sorry about that, you guys. Hold on one second. I'm getting this one situated here. Okay. Alright, so I'm scan. And I'm going to see if I can. And submit. It'll also let you know if it's too blurry, if it's not clear enough. So you don't have to worry about that. 61 cents. See? This is how you work the CoinOut app, you guys. These are all my receipts. Now, here's one right here I'm going to place somewhere different. So, place this right here so I can get a good view of it. Scan. I can't really see that. Let me see if it'll upload. So I've been getting 2 cents. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm sorry, you guys. I've earned, looks like it's 4 cents so far for sure, for all the receipts I have. Okay. So I'm going to do one last one here. trying to get it straight so that way it at least. Last one. I don't know how many you can upload at a time, like I said. I do not know the answer to that. Uploaded the receipt. And this could be any receipt, you guys. If you go grocery shopping today, you can take a picture of your receipt. See, I got 3 cents, 66 cents. Okay? So you can cash this out to your bank or your or a Amazon gift card, but you have to earn $10 to be able to cash out to PayPal. Okay? Remember, you can cash this out to your bank, any amount, don't matter how. You can cash out 10 cents if you wanted to cash out to your bank. You can cash out. Sorry, let me go back. You can cash out to an Amazon gift card, but you have to have a minimum of $10 in your account to cash out to PayPal. Okay, minimum of $10. Okay, so if you guys are interested in joining, this is going to be my referral code here. Let you guys. That's my referral code. Okay, I'll give you guys a few time to copy that, and I'm gonna actually copy it as well. It's not letting me copy it. Hold on. You know what? It doesn't matter. I already have it written down. I can actually just type it in when I edit the video. I can put it in the description. That way you guys can join. All you do is gather up all your receipts. If you've recently went to the store, you know, as long as they can't be too old. Okay, they have to be within, they can't be like they just can't be like 10 days old, 14 days old, like that. Like, 3 days ago, maybe, yes, but not old receipts from last week or a month ago. Okay, so this is the CoinOut app. I'd highly advise you to download it. It does work. I'm at 66 cents right now. I'm only getting 2 cents, maybe 3 cents per receipt, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so I highly recommend you do your research on this app too. Watch how other people will use it. So yeah, that's basically it. And you can get cash back from these stores when you shop at them. Okay, so let me look at all the stores you can get cash back for. Target, Grubhub, eBay, Walmart, iTunes, Music, Kohl's, Home Depot, Macy's, Sam's Club. When you go online and you buy off of these, you go on the site and you buy off of these, and you shop online through the site, you get cash back for it. Okay? So that's basically. So yeah, that's how that works. All right, remember, you don't get a lot with this app, but you have to have a minimum of $10 to cash out to PayPal. There's no minimum requirement when you cash out to your bank or Amazon gift card. When you scan those receipts, they have to be clear. Make sure you turn on the flash so it can then flash. You can earn points when people join and scan their receipt, whatever. And basically it, Those weren't fake receipts. Those are real receipts. I got these receipts within a couple of days. I go to the store every day. I'm always going to the store because I buy dinner and stuff. So yeah. But I hope you guys like this app. Hope you use it. I hope you have success with it. And this is Financial Freedom with Velvet signing off.